you on how to create a database using SQL Server Management Studio. So what's the first step that you do? First step that you do is you open the SQL Server Management Studio in your system and connect to the SQL Server instance where you want to create the database. The next thing that you do is come to your Object Explorer, which is on your left-hand side, and come to the database whereby you right-click the database, and then you click to New Database. Since you're trying to create a database using the SQL Server Management Studio. So after you create New Database, this is where you put the name of your database. And as you can see, it's in default. So I'm showing you all these when it's in default. If you want to create a database in SQL Server Management Studio and when it's default. So here you have to put your name. So I'll put my name. I want it to be marketing. Here, you see, I put my name as marketing. It shows here. It shows here as logs. So this is where you do. You say you click OK. What does it tell me? It tells me that it fails. The name marketing fails because it's already in my database. So I have to select a name that does not exist in my database at the moment. So let's choose another name. I'll call it Procure. So Procure, and then we say OK. So as you can see, this is my database. When I click the little plus icon here, that's where I'll see where my database is created, known as Procure. This is my database. And when I created marketing earlier and it failed, it showed me that it existed in my database, whereby this is where it existed. So it cannot duplicate itself the second time. So here is the Procure that I just created. So this is my new database. So that's all I wanted to show you for today on how to create a database using the SQL Server Management Studio.